Hello people and artificial intelligence also. If you watch me, I will demonstrate to all of you some keyboards that I tried the last month. I have like 4 devices that I want to connect in the same time, and also I have multiple monitors. So I wanted to be able to have to connect them, to switch them really quickly, and also um, to have a single keyboard, not to have separate keyboards on each device. And when I sit on the table, to use just a single keyboard. That's why I tried. I started to search for a keyboard on the internet, and I wanted a cheap one, as always. I wanted to have a bargain about the money, and that's why I started with to search in Aliexpress, the best place to search for technologies for sure. And I always wanted a mechanical keyboard uh, with mm, with nice sound. So when I type on it to hear the keys. But after a while, I found that it's not so important for me. So first, I will speak with you about my success. This is like the last week. I found the best keyboard that I've tried. I was searching a lot on the internet, and I found this A4Tech keyboard FStyler FBX51C. It's just for 25 euro or 51 Bulgarian level, and it can connect up to 4 devices and one 2.4 gigahertz device. It has all the F keys, and the F work can be turned on or off. And also it has multiple modes, so you can switch between operating systems like iOS, Mac, or Windows. So when I got it, it comes with a really nice package that it has like documentation with all the features behind, and all the specifications, and you can read them like from the web. It looks like that. It's a small keyboard. It's not like big one, and it has low profile keys with all the all the things needed on it. The first thing that I wanted to say is that it's rechargeable. So I don't need to buy batteries, but I can recharge it with USB Type C adapter, or just with a cable connected to the computer, and it from this side of the keyboard I can turn it on and off. I can charge it, and also I can quickly switch between 2.4 gigahertz device or a Bluetooth device. It's anti-slippery, so there's like a plastic here at the bottom, which does not allow it to slip, and also it doesn't it's more stable. The main thing that I like in this keyboard is that I can switch on and off the FN walk just with the FN and escape, and basically this allows me to use the FN keys, the F keys separately, and they can be like turned on and off separately. like permanently, which is fine for me. Also, I have like 4 devices that I want to connect uh, in the same time, and that's why this keyboard is perfect for me because there are like 3 Bluetooth devices and one 2.4 gigahertz device, and there is a receiver that can be connected to the 2.4 gigahertz device. So if you play games or you want a fast response, really fast, and you can connect that. You can connect it. Um, and also, I like that it's the standard layout. The control it's at the bottom left side, and the Windows key and Fn keys are on the left side. And also, it doesn't consume a lot of battery when it goes when it's not used. Then it goes to a standby mode, and I need to press a key to turn on. That's how it saves battery, it saves energy, and I'm really happy with this keyboard, and this was my successful choice. Now I'm using the keyboard every day with multiple devices, and I can switch it like really quickly through the devices, and also like to a gigahertz device. I want to speak to tell you about my unsuccessful choices. The first keyboard that I bought, it was this one from Aliexpress for 25 euros. It's the same price as the other one. It's mechanical keyboard. This one, it has low profile keys, and that's better for me. I like it more like with low profile keys. I I thought that the mechanical keyboard with high profile keys, it will be more enjoyable, but I'm getting exhausted uh, when I type for long period of time, as I need more force to press the keys. The first thing that I don't like about the keyboard is that it's powered by batteries, and there is no external battery. It can't be recharged, and there is no standby mode, so it drains the battery maybe for like 1 or 2 weeks, and in the long term it's more expensive than this one because I need to buy batteries quite often. The second one is that it's with high profile keys. I say that I'm getting kind of exhausted for a longer period of time. The third thing is that the Fn key is from this side, and when I want to turn it on, then I need to use 2 hands. Like for example, I need to press it with one hand like that, or I need to press it like that, and that's how I use 2 hands. And the main problem about this keyboard for me is that there is no Fn walk combination. For example, when I want to use the F keys permanently on this keyboard, I can just press Fn escape, and this allows me to work with the F keys all the time. And I need them more because I work with Visual Studio and with programs that needs the F keys. I tried with changing it from the BIOS and also like from the Windows options, but it doesn't work as I need to use only the F keys or only the numbers, and I need them both in the same time. And after I used it for 2 weeks, I realized that I need another keyboard, and this one will not work for me. Maybe for a person who play games, it will be better choice, as it will be more enjoyable. But this was not the choice for me. That's why I started to search in the web for another keyboard, uh, and I found this one. I just forgot to mention the model of this one. This one it's Ziyolang Ziyolang model K68, and it operates on 5 volts. So it's Ziyolang. It's a good keyboard. There's another one with the F keys, and like the same keyboard with the F keys. So if you search for the same keyboard, it will be better to buy with the F keys, and not combine to like numbers and F keys. And after that, I searched in the web about a cheap keyboard that will work for me, but I wanted really cheap one, and I found this for 10 euros, for 11 euros actually. So it's 22 Bulgarian euro, and I bought it from eMag, and this is a website about technologies, and but basically it comes again from Aliexpress, and in Aliexpress it was the same price. Things that I don't like about this keyboard is that the first thing is that here there isn't also uh, the F and walk combination, so I can't turn on the F keys permanently, and also it's made about Mac. The combination of the keys it's about Mac, and also when I mean I can switch the modes, I can switch the operating systems, but it's not the layout is not made for Windows, and I'm mostly using Windows and Linux. Um, the other thing is that it's slippery. There's nothing to keep it on the table stable. So when I type, it's getting slippery. The other thing is that it drains the battery faster. It is with the external battery, which is better, so it can be recharged, and also it goes to a standby mode as the first one, but it drains the battery faster. And the last thing is that when I mean I spoke about it, but the layout is not good, and when I try to save multiple documents, I'm pressing the F key. The model of this keyboard, I don't remember it, but I will check it and write into the description, into the video description, so you can check it from there. But yes, I don't recommend these keyboards for person who types and uses and use uh, and who use uh, IDEs, because the F and work combination it doesn't present here. So basically that's what I just wanted to tell you. If you work with with a text editor or IDE, then uh, be sure that there is a pen work combination on the keyboard. if you are searching for a external keyboard, and also like for me, it's better to be rechargeable because you will not need to buy batteries. And for example, if you type in 2 o'clock in the morning and you run out of battery, then you will need to go to a store to buy batteries and not just to recharge it. Uh, thank you for watching, and thank you for spending time about looking about these keyboards. And see you soon. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.